Hi everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today we're going to be talking about how to build your own blog network. Now, there's different ways you can do it. There's the slow way, and there's the super fast way. There's doing it yourself and hoping to get it right, and then there's having all the pieces put together for you so that you can't get it wrong. Now, the system that I'm talking about today is the one that gets it right each and every time. What we're going to be showing you is a system that not only gets you keywords like you'd get in Google AdWords. I mean, that's just skimming the surface of what this program does. It goes in, it takes a vertical look at all the keywords out there in your niche, and then it drills down really, really deep until you're left with just the best keywords for each site that you're generating. Now, we're not just talking about generating one or two sites here and there with a couple of social sites built in with it. We're talking about the capability of creating hundreds, even thousands of blogs in this network that you're going to own. And the reason you want to do this is for the sheer power of it. I mean, when you own your own network, you control the traffic. You're not going to be begging for it. You're not going to be searching for it. You're not going to be desperate. It's simply going to be there. You're building this thing that will drive tons of traffic every single day on autopilot straight to the money sites that you create. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. Now, why is this system better than some of the others out there, or all of the others out there? First, the keyword function is amazing. You're talking about LSI optimized pages on your blogs. Number two, you're talking about siloing these blogs, each and every one of them. And it does it automatically for you. You will know exactly how to silo your blogs. You'll know exactly where each article goes, where each category goes, what the top level silo is. But you won't have to hand do it. You run the software, you get the keywords you want. You bring it into our second software, and it will tell you which keyword is a silo keyword, which keyword is a categories keyword, which keyword is a article keyword. And then it will tell you what it would actually cost to rank for each of these keywords so you can make educated decisions about how to build each of these sites. When you make those decisions, you click a couple buttons and it will create that blueprint for you. Now, you're not going to have to sit there and look at the blueprint and go back and create it. No. You take that and you import it into the plugin we give you on your WordPress site, and it just takes that entire blueprint and puts it on your site automatically. So all you're responsible for at that point is creating the content that goes on there. At this point, it now takes that and then shows you how to get that into RSS feeds that are syndicated all over the internet. It's a step-by-step system. It's very logical and it's very clear. And there's tons of training on how to do this. If you've always wanted to build your own blog network, but you were a little afraid of how it's done or you didn't know how it's done, this is how it's done. And this is the way to do it properly so that each site is built properly in a way that Google likes. And then each property is linked in a way that Google likes. And each of them is designed in a way to drive the most amount of traffic for free once the thing's built, so that you never have to worry about it again. And all you have to do is make sure that your money sites are on servers that can handle that amount of traffic, and that your money sites are optimized so that when people go there looking for that specific item, that they can do so easily, quickly, and hit that button and make the sale for you. If that sounds good to you, if you like that ease of use and the fact that you're not going to have to spend hundreds and thousands of hours figuring this whole thing out, click the button and find out more. The owners of the company are going to speak to you on a video. They're going to explain it to you even more clearly than I did. And you're going to get to hear from people who have actually used the system and the results they've gotten. Not just for themselves, but for their clients. I mean, we have people selling blog networks. Can you imagine the profit potential there is there? Anyway, you're going to find out more as soon as you click the button and you put in your email address and your name, and we're going to direct you exactly to where you need to go to find out more, and so that you can get it today. You could start today. This is Katerina Christakos, and I look forward to having you join us. And if you have any questions, please ask.